Good morning, guys. So today is a very cold day outside in Ohio. I just woke up, obviously, and if you're wondering, I scratched my neck when I woke up and my skin is so sensitive. Anyways, Devin just left to go get us some Starbucks breakfast because we have like $30 in Starbucks gift cards, and we don't really go to Starbucks that often, but Devin does because he likes to drink, but I don't drink coffee, so he's going to get us breakfast. So I'm waiting on him to get back because I am hungry. But while he does that, I'm going to put the sheets in the washer and just straighten up some things. So let's do that. Look at the snow outside, guys. We live in Ohio, and this is what our backyard, or our hill of a backyard, looks like right now. Isn't that crazy? Not gonna be like that next year. Okay, so I unloaded the dishwasher, which only had like a couple things in it because yesterday we didn't use that many dishes. And I am turning on the fan in the living room because I am burning up. Does anyone else set their like house temperature on something because you're freezing, especially in the winter, and then like you start doing stuff around the house and you're like burning up? That is me every single day because we are like in freezing conditions here. Our temperatures are in like the negatives and everything, and our housing people have told us like let your faucets drip, keep your cabinets open, all this stuff so your pipes don't freeze because it's so cold. And sorry, I was looking at something on the camera. I'm still trying to figure this out. But anyways, it's really cold here and I am trying to keep the house warm, but then I do stuff around the house and I'm like burning up. And I've been getting these heat rashes. Such a long story. I've been getting these heat rashes every time I like do any physical activity. And yeah, so anyways. Yeah, so I'm still waiting on Devin. I just unloaded the dishwasher, threw the sheets in the washer. I'm still trying to figure out how to use this camera because I know I need to change the settings. I know a lot of people use this camera to vlog and they have like certain settings that they put it on to vlog, and I haven't changed anything since we bought it. So I know that it looks, sometimes it might look a little funky, but that's okay. So I'm just waiting on Devin to get back. And until then, I'm going to watch my show, The Handmaid's Tale. Have any of you guys watched it? It's on Netflix. It's intense. It's not for everybody, but it's a good show. It's got a good plot and it's really interesting. It's called The Handmaid's Tale. It's a Hulu original show. Really good. There's only one season, but I'm on like I'm on the second to last episode of the season. He's back with the food. What'd you get, babe?
I don't know. I got ham.
Ham?
I didn't want it.
Oh, you didn't want it?
They didn't have anything else.
I got the egg white thingy-majigger. If you guys see this all the time, it's the handle that I hold the camera with. It was in my last video, so. Hi guys, so I'm in my kitchen, and don't mind my appearance. I know I look a little cray-cray, but I'm just getting ready to go with Devin to get his haircut, and I'm going to exchange a shirt at Kohl's. I do want to do a recipe video in the future, but tonight, just really quick before we leave, I'm going to throw something in the crock pot, and I don't exactly know if I will have time before Devin has to go to his class tonight, if we'll be able to actually eat it, but I'm going to make it for his lunches this week. And if you guys don't know, I don't know if I've mentioned it, I usually meal prep Devin's lunches for the week for work. So I'm going to make a white chicken chili crock pot recipe. It's so easy. I get a lot of questions about where I find my recipes and stuff. I find everything on Pinterest mostly, or like Facebook recipes, and I just Pinterest search, like whatever I'm feeling, like easy crockpot recipes or easy winter meals, like stuff like that. I just search. So this is a recipe I found, and I will try to link it below if I remember. If I forget, let me know. But for this recipe, I'm using a can of these northern, what are they called? Great Northern beans. Let's see if it'll focus on it. No. I hear you. I'm telling them about the recipe I'm making.
Oh.
So it's a can of these Great Northern white beans. I'm using 2 cans of salsa verde, which I don't think we've ever had before, so I hope that that turns out okay. And then I'm using chicken broth. It actually called for chicken stock, but it's like the same thing. So it calls for 6 cups. So one of these containers is 4 cups, so I'll have to use like a little bit of the second one too. And then chicken. So I've got 2 chicken breasts thawing. I've got 2 chicken breasts thawing, and then it calls for cumin and then salt and pepper and stuff if you want to put it on top. So I'm gonna put that in the crock pot. This is my crock pot, and in it I put the chicken stock, the seasoning, and the salsa verde. So that's gonna sit in there for low on 3 to 4 hours, or high for 6 to 8 hours, I think.
What's up, guys? I'm vlogging. Ah!
Oh my
I look kind of good in this camera, babe.
Yeah? Yeah, you think so? Hi guys, so I'm sitting here watching TV, wrapped up in my jack-o'-lantern blanket from Target because it's like my favorite blanket that I have, and I'm watching my show, The Handmaid's Tale. I know I mentioned that I was watching it earlier in the vlog, and I'm just sitting here, and I thought that before I ended the vlog I would, sorry, I'm trying to figure out how to hold this camera. I know I keep mentioning the camera, but I'm just still figuring it out, okay? So I know I mentioned in my video yesterday, I think I might be posting this today, which maybe, we'll see. But I know I mentioned in my last video that I wanted to do a Q&A, and a couple of you said that you would like me to do that. So I'm going to be asking you in this video to comment below your questions in the comment section just on this video. So comment down below any questions that you have, and my next video will be a Q&A, and I will answer any questions that you might have. If you want to ask Devin any questions, Devin is my husband, if you guys have not seen him before. I think I'm gonna insert the clip. He kind of vlogged himself a little bit earlier before this, but yeah, if you have any questions for Devin or myself, then ask them down below and I will answer them in my next video. And Devin has an improv class tonight. He has it once a week. And yeah, tonight he has his improv class, so I'm just sitting here by myself watching TV, so I'm probably not going to do anything else exciting. My chili is still cooking. By the way, earlier I didn't show that the beans were in there because you're supposed to put the beans in 30 minutes before it's done. And it didn't get finished for dinner, so I'm going to use it for Devin's lunch this week. So it was super simple. I will have to do a cooking video someday of a more complicated recipe, or maybe a really easy one. Again, let me know if you guys want to see a cooking video, and I will definitely do that. So yeah, I always list all of my social media in the description box if you're ever curious about my Twitter, Snapchat, or Instagram. So be sure to check that and leave your comments below of any questions you have for my Q&A, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!